Atuu. Nice. Ene yede nyame ase se wahwe so wabɔ me no mi no ho ban na ya behia. Wo mi se ya na nye bibia se yede Atuu enkomo na brɛw. Na ene hwan ne ne ba bɛbɔ nkomo. Oye oba son no. Ababa wa son no a. In fact Ghana had a unim na na chese bia unyo bia follow the I mean a trendy wo Ghana. You can't trend woman no mo set trend wo Ghana pa. Na say nyame adom mutum say ne sa to bi so ama nipa na ma na bra ba sesa first na said de ne nim no ne said o ba ya na o ye no ho no mutum say wa sesa wo ya bode foforo hwan ne ye ka no asemi wo ya baba wa bi a na ni ha adwuma o ye brefo o ye hustler o ye actress o ye entrepreneur o ye mother o ye bibia bi emre bi atwam na o ye kristoni ene ya me no kasai o ye kramoni eba ne sen eno be ye kramoni ni nyina ebedi nkomo da ben wo ware no mati room obi se nche awure bi baso eye no kre ananye no kre ni nyina ho nkomo ye de bro now kame ho ne fast da ma boa for maso yasene a ye de ene Atuu ebro de di nkan eye MTN Ghana nyina network ba ko pe ena de bia ye kan fo ma se wodo ho to sa network no so a kotokro enka wi mu da esanse omo na de no ma bebre ba Ghana hansa na da network no kre follow me pa cho momo obi anim so omo a data packages ahodo me kai those days free night call bebre kra nyomo yere no through free night call ene de edoso MTN or say everywhere you go Ghana ba bia tokro bia Ghana chese kro bia MTN wo so ede na wo twen fa ho bebo MTN abusuaku na wo ho ntow wo mo de packages bebre aba said the ode be ye call the ode be seniska o normally de ye kase ye keka ye nwie MTN for na mi hu say sa utimi gi bosen akra wo MTN so na wotua na kakra ansa na wo mo aka ne sua wadaroma MTN de omo asem ye kase ye ka adaje be boyen bombodia na se wo network na wo so no enye MTN na chip no we na fa to bolam na koto yellow no bi MTN no ene papa no de tosumie no eye best point savings loans bia ye de sika kwa akoto bia ye kra sika bia ye kwa akoji loan ye kwa akoji busia ye de abobra me pa cho we no ye de busia ne tata ho ba bibia wo bia wo hwe me bia no se wo di sika to one particular bank bia che na mfa so bia mfiri mu ma me pa cho kokloso account no na bra best point savings loans na be bi na ye mwa na wa bra bontumpon asede wo biem ye de ma this way chocolate drink wasi de ohia eni nso hie enkoda nom empanyinnom emrewa nkokora obi ase this way enwa neko ebi kwa de nso yinu na enom emu de hi na ope okọ provision shop bia supermarket ba bia obenya bia to eye this way de ohia eni nso hie afi asede atwato eye ensu a nipa nyina jetumo ensu a Ghana ha ye de ye ayefro ayie birthday and one special ice mineral water enye na ewo babia kojibi na embo akama pa afi mahofamai matade a mahye patwehwe ye pa we anopa ya hyehye ena misaka ye wadahoma eye minua ba Jesby collection Jesby ewo dansoman me patcho buzia fie ni nche hona ode odu wona busuo bi ase ehina Jesby wa ana ode wura buzia fie ho na busa se Jesby collection wo he wadaroma obia besonsa na ode wakọ ana se friend was 0243 008119 na oni Jesby enkasa mempabo amahye eyo soft shoes ewo pick farm ufri abedi la brosan no na wo ba Kotobabi police station na otra abedi la brosan na no me pacho onsa benkum so na ho e no soft shoes wo ko na kojibi obetumi atu aton owo maade owo memade owo nkodade owo mpabo asoto bia bi ho se wutu aton se wuyi ne ba kuminu e your soft shoes ko na ye moaw na se de opese wo dress fa bia no ye wo so mpabo ho ide be boaw ye twa ho ne abaye ba me guest o de twen ye ba Atuu Poloo Atuu Hajia Ania.
Ania.
I see. Beautiful name.
Thank you.
But I said, no, I'm not for him and no baby compared to Poloo.
If you're phone in Poloo, you say, if you manage somebody in response, I'm going to phone you. Or bit me, shall not say, you say, response that day, another day, not a Poloo.
Now, Akuapem Poloo, no, I was a chibi, and how did you come by that name?
Yes, so I do know those celebrating the man. Now, that are many Lamaka free me if you don't know from Kakao social media. It's one of those celebrities, we didn't talk idea is between Gavin Kako and Akuapem Poloo.
Okay.
Because who's not we say ten yamifi Akuapem. Because who's a minty grofo chinko na mikami so yo Akuapem na mifi no chinko na yeka wa yenka grofo. It's in a nunti and Akuapem man face no way Poloo. Na Poloo na ejen bia so afan kan wanu na also ma e o say nye de. Di wan Atuu de kan wanu na so say it's sweet. Na grofo ka social media me ma say me di. But they don't know that when you come close to me, I'm so sweet to be around. It's a honor, those celebrities. I make good use of the name because who's a Rosamond Brown, legendary McBrown. It's near Sana conflict. I'll call you with miss me utilize it on Akuapem Poloo.
So, meaning said before, you ever for Akuapem Poloo, no? Now, Rosamond Brown, now, you should come or active movie now, they are doing it, and I Rosamond Brown. But I know it's me and Celos.
City 209. And I'm starting Obra, me Choco Church, Oxford Street. Come with me down to Oxford Street. We need late George Williams.
I see.
We need late George Williams in the chat. Or last week, Ejakwa Zone 2. We need me child Krahasa. We need Jackie Apia, no name, Madam Cassin scenario.
Wow.
In movie, they chat my music videos. We need Castro, Nia Samoajan. Many Kachenma music video, many Gura music, Minister Moya music video. Those days, some of you gonna meet Niger or Ghana. I say, I any dancers, I'm afraid.
Hey, sir.
Yeah, we Zolingo, this boy, Nigeria. Yeah, no, I perform.
And then we started the stars and delay a crash. I see. Now, me, you're worried about it being Akuapem Poloo. Me can't come on now. Working on. Now we say Akuapem Poloo, and now we say Akuapem no your mind. And and as sometimes when I'm for basho.
Yeah, Papa.
Nana, a dear Akuapem Poloo no, Akuapem for no way your problem.
Madam, the Nyabe Bray, Emma, Omok say, me because I'm not selling the name well. Emma, nine from a beef, a beef, me change my focus a Akuapem media bombia. And it's a many dinner finish to her. Did you but many because meaning say if you can, if more Johnny will mean. And then you make an say, what percent me Johnny and you one shake Germany, 130 business because by then, as a single mother, me need a Jumatin be a mayor. And I'm being loudness and also them full by me signing me deals. So say I mean loud, no one is signing me for any deals. But those days, 2018 to 2022, not me allowed, and I was getting a lot of deals, business contracts. Even some more year programs they want Poloo should be there. Ghana movie awards because Poloo near Gina stage so late. That day, Poloo Nebema awards not trending because of social media saying yeah, Kali I share ya. Maybe I'm going to stage but they say because I'm not loud, it's hard for someone to give me an invitation or hard for someone to come and sign me for anything because she's no more doing what she used to do. And before you sell a product, you have to be loud, outspoken to be able to sell it. Because and they are attracting on emotion. But now I'm not exposing myself again. I'm not insulting again. I'm not talking loud again. Now I'm calm.
Then I said, warning by it.
Maybe.
Until that time, no, or the one in year, you might see or must send.
Oh, that time you mean here. Now many of them back and forth. Omoka Mrs. Aja just over here Akuapem moja me film once. And I say some person me jaya one set up business na long page me demand me. I'll be off loudly.
And to know you fully Akuapem ni ankasana.
Okay, me mama no you Akuapem. And I'm papa efito. Me papa fiche.
Okay. Then I say chivi no
ewe that what if you allow the family. Yeah. So sometimes me can come say me Nigeria because ye me alade no and then sometimes we can say yeah forefathers in the brave fee.
Migrated from
Other places.
You know, be out for sure.
It's me the meaning say me Togo and like the whole family is alade family. I don't know if you've heard from any alade.
Oh, alade. Into the moon and be more papa and I mean, papa, mamma, yes, saying,
Menkwa. Me mama nso menkwa. Nti me siblings. Menkwa na yo.
and over will be.
Ami. They say me wo two me peto is account. Say nyame de mami a.
When say dey me no one dey cross. Me petricle.
Oh so baby.
Me petricle na me nya two so me manage.
Yeah.
Nti yen hwe ni say Ghana dey say dey wo ka no. Oji din bone a nipa ni sapa e follow. Oya the papa in few. And then you look changed. I say, Poloo, no. Obi ehun to say there's some kind of gentility we around you right now. All right now, is beautiful compared to those days. At what point in your life now we say, yeah, I didn't mean I say me draw back now, we live a different life. Time being also son from the old Poloo to the new Hania Poloo.
That was after Neko and Salomon. Prison officers in the brain make a sign. As I said, me too, me jam me mammy was who, na me back 208, same the Bobra. Into me mammy papa was who, and I make one me Bobra in crime. Me mo be our say. It's no, as a single mother, me dimiti pin, send ya many be the ashaneba. And I mean, you be a close mini siblings. Our friend, many matters. It's near me, won't say, ya may ya, may be. Minko bokro no minko yese na menyebi nti buga na nti no na me ni obi otu for that after everything na me call is a woman na me ko share and pay for the prison officers they sat me down they spoke with me let me like I say ade chibia na officer bi ba e be fa me call the office no money make asa come say now we are cool we are calm and so by girl you be disrespectful so please some person make feel of random or what is my worry because only miss our worry bit near few sure is the thing it's no near mammy what say or on near mammy go home buy no let me just forget about everything now yamination now face to chief certain chief was said only you know what am I raising? I'm raising a son. You know what am I trying to tell him that what I'm doing is the right thing. If you say beyond you know worry no be abuse we and no you know or you young but Phyllis said it's okay because that's what my mom and I'll regret it if my son should tell me say my mom is the one who used to do this and I'm not picking. If some baby the beer no kasa no me na me pese me na my say na me mama ye binti na me ye na just my year so far but I'm not me buy na me so let me stop everything. See me wa na me me yes anya na me kwa sorry pa me every way me kwa so da me post it December Christmas day bi am me busu ya kwa sorry bi am me post it but me who say Christianity me many Muslims be ananti even na me school so whom na me na for pa Muslims those that I was close with me who say religion is me pe me na mo anko put me this are you a Muslim? So let me just switch to Islam and live my normal life.
And Islam, yes, said Bema bin a man.
Oh, David. Oh, David.
Wild decision.
Near me decision. Yeah, Bema. Not saying Crawford say a large bina. Mamma may call Saudi crowd, we say a large in the dinner call. Maybe I'm a baby, mom say a large nana.
Oh, into our own decision.
My own decision. Own decision.
Now, quite sorry.
Let me come here. Go very.
Titama or converted by Islam, no? How did they take it?
Oh, I want Kennedy because almost I'm say Yamisuna. Say man jai uncle sum busumge. Ne Yamina because Muslim Yamin no friend Allah. And I call religion me uncle to say Mox busum si wa walk to busum. A Yakupona no about Titan so yes, Christo near dinner, what bonfire, what boom was it? No money, Yakupona. So it's the same thing. So it's the same thing. It's normal dear. almost see so far as I know that because they were all worried to say me loud in your and yes.
How come say Islam etimi ma why team na Islam etimi asesa why dey no bi ka kire wo ba som no no dey na wo hunu ya ama na wa be abode foforo krasa
and such like a crab by obi me right Islam no obi anka hwe special dey anche though me by Islam they showed me a lot of love and because some person they sign me chinti I could be asking they make sure they provide clothes saladua wo mama nam ye mama bibia bi wa me ho no ma Muslim media friend ubani school fees ya he this time person me tua man I'm telling you it and it's the truth it those things and the love no achime also me who say me be a Muslim e bi kwan be man me ye Muslim pe na me shia me ba na wa ne those days no even though not open me open but he couldn't get closer to me. And anyone that I'm with believe in my religion. You yeah. Anyone that I'm with believe in my religion and is with me in my religion. And after being a Muslim, even maybe I'm Shia, no Muslim forgot you with Shia. But now me na me Shia me Shia obi sa it's no a man maybe business opportunities be some Islam come to make Saudi Arabia, come in Saudi Arabia, and then they make off. But a whole king of Saudi Arabia, let me pay me be the miracle Haja. What else do you want? King of Saudi Arabia. The second way is Hajj. I don't know, Chairman.
King of Saudi.
King Yankasano. Or contact embassy of Saudi Arabia here. Until me want to show me letter. Say the king have been selected by them. I'm telling you, and it's the truth. Even when I got there, I was pushing the video be I'm a king it is sure.
And any part like attracting penny for power. There's something about you I think say Obompa ya maybe ye teach you for because I say they will commit that. Her Kadibi ba Ghana. Share a Jamaica ni
and Gram small guy.
Like bones and I mean kind of saying what attract you?
I attract good greatness.
Yes.
Just that me here in moi. Me you be enlighten me. Obe be me ni any maybe a meeting because say you can papa me sure e be bia no mo fremiko but that me pin so a big thing.
And they say sala no ye na kama.
Me
nti I mean ye sala donchi I mean oye aduane se bo for say ye na nice na se say ade ba ko na nipa hwe se da be ni be hu se Poloo ye awre amaria ye ware no nkramufo yi nyina ya babi address kama ni be house anwumi na ye hwe ni mu da be
mama who say yes say when I to say and yes say if I'm by my brother person on the warren if said you look at Saudi say because she am paying for me she Muslims that they thought saving go yeah will be was so both foreigners and they wanted to be with me. Some wanted to follow me to Ghana, see my family, and then but I ain't to was here because you see I'm and I don't want to get married and divorce. Never. It may warrior, not just say so. And I want to be sure because they say Nikitan Kola. And the person should love my son. He should love my daughter. And even if I'm going to marry the man that I've given birth with to my girl, yes, I should get everything that I am expecting. He should get everything he's expecting too. And you're one side. And I will meet me for them as someone. Oh yes, I will rather now. The bachelor, I bet it. Our bet, and your man bet too. Our nature, I bet it. I'm still young. Think I make as me mammy chair. My family won't to know. But she say, Chewa warrior. Oh, now soon again. Papa. Oh, I'll be cheap. It's in Yamin running. Very soon I'll run at the bar on.
But I'm worried that.
Me worried.
see. Wow. Poloo. So did they are shocking me pa.
You're hearing Angasa. It's me one embassy of Saudi Arabia. I'm not sure letter and I'm a call home. You go home.
To work with Saudi how many times? Twice. And they go far no matter go baby come of
okay, Meme de man ko fanya mame. Meme de me call for go umrah. And I say come and go your hajj. And protocol means you have to respect yourself. I see. Look where basi now you are. Yeah. And
they one of the good in the show.
Halifa and Shema.
Wow.
We pay $10 US.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, back. Oh. Halifa and
correct one super.
Papa, we me 2 years in the empire. And why? Commentary swing.
To a show cinema.
A show means me boy. Who change? Who check range?
Wow. Poloo. She said life is saying, I mean, few years ago now your endorsement said you now can now I mean business bar, you were making a lot of money near there. Now how is life treating you?
Easy. Because they say I'm calm. And sometimes people will criticize some things that you do, but they like it. And so,
especially Ghana.
What's the when you're being don't touch me, or what touching? But and here is
stop. I'm not in the mood.
Please don't touch me. Now I'm the one touching at the chin, so nobody can the whole day. Yeah.
Now Babeka say I'm not in the mood, so I don't know anything.
They almost me in January. Sometimes me now street in this Poloo, why have you stopped? You were entertaining us.
The same people so soon and I'm fire.
You see, most of the police officers say we do barrier here. Poloo they say and some can be man can one year do you but this time me turn me show on my phone. Tell me I'm a sorry na Poloo. Poloo me won't come show. But this will be me coming into. And they say no, I know where I'm heading to. Me too, I need a respect, it's full person in my life. And Obi and the leader from the so they say. And yes, Obi and paying ministers in paying for the paying. Yeah, because most approach me. If it's one to me approaching me right now, only you see some of the bloggers to approach to me. You get me? But sometimes it's almost to say, hey, get where I am loud. Any baby be not there to social media. Me, I meet most of them I'm catching the Poloo me play. So it's just say. So it's like that. So this is the real me. Nyanami Yebiano was being forced and arranged with those called celebrities. Yes, just to push me out there.
Those called celebrities, me who need that, but also industry no more power.
Nyamiye ni me who ni me need that. Not even me who need that.
But on channel you break you.
Me say, who me just send me phone video call.
Yeah, some mate. You saw man who name.
Dabi, but the
I think me power name no power possible.
No.
Possible they on them saying me about.
Because them. Men doesn't sell out like women.
Okay.
Yeah, men doesn't sell out. Maybe. Okay. Men doesn't sell out.
So Germany or so. To no push my no money.
On no yemi. On no mommy guidelines. The beer na me beer. Upset to say what's my bar. Or see Poloo. Found broth me too. Can you say? Be one more can no see me push at wale nyom na me fansa. Ekuti anyom ni bi. Into be one ma she hot. Na me twerky. No me dia tu mo no so afa.
So no so see na ko. Nye woni an zara ata me no bi na she chire yo sa.
Ma yen is answer can me so me line. Obo me pa. Those poor celebrities really helped me. Or man of so bra me aid to support me. Even the court case he supported. She supported Papa to say or making sure say be
they say skabaka krakra.
Sisi ya sika minya ye nyama metoka krakra ena beba no papa support endorsement niki
ajaba who number super
man panka but this time now bloggers the machine me call signing deals na me call na me the two but
sometimes they all say sign call back to the days na
when is there sometimes me for phone see me say bibi bad say bio me mami aga that say me excuse me kind ya because me I've been there before and can come dey see on na come make come again or adechi yes ni pay yes na me sometimes before me to me video ni plan but say me post na me
I said, no pet.
But no. Now sometimes chief, mommy, no, this one no, man, delete it, man, no. So he won't even allow me.
Apart from Obama experience now, and I'm so mal call someone. Do you regret any other thing in your life apart from any twerking? No. Or regret it? So yeah.
Even twerking, I don't regret because even most of our top celebrities are now shaking their buttocks on social media. Twerking is part of dancing, and as I said, I used to be a dancer, professional dancer, and I'm a musician. The was stage, so as a dancer, shaking every part, me shaking the knife is part of dancing. To me, twerking is not a sin. Yes, it depends on how in a way I'm going half naked and those kind of things. I regret exposing my body and then my breast and those kind of things.
I don't breast about that.
Me nipple out about the breast.
I didn't have my nipple.
Nipple need the hard.
I want to check a difference near day. Well, yeah, the man, if it's a no for me, honey, in a
they be nipple near the because say, oh, bed no more
nipple.
You are so curious to grab into your mouth. Now, my mouth be one. What is so special for you?
Nipple no ne a Indian Nankasano. Hina, I am of Ferris nipa. Because I know your question, pa.
Yes, serious because maybe two need I'm a Ferris nipa. Yeah, who may nipple?
Because I might be to me she bikini. And
change. But I didn't catch idea.
I said,
I made madam to be the charm. Make a video, this certain court case in a course. The name was day more and make a good jarry and no be first of the top behind. Into me feet. Not for only damn bed. And I'm be fear jarry one. A bedam panel to send me Pancasa. It's call no to send me Pancasa say if an location. No, madam, for this, me call your whole jarry means you. Okay. Meaning, madam, for the jarry, send a funny phone and made the house saying, oh, video me. I don't know for what.
What down for no?
Because madam for. There's no limit. No say friend. Now that day, now you sat Beyonce, you do a TikTok. Until we say host now. A orange color, me shady ye. A guminche on Panaso, ye no. I'll catch her or the same one. I'll catch us. She said, "We should have the dinner hotel now." Wow. Yeah, I was saying, my main Schwarzenegger. Oh, I was saying, my Schwarzenegger. Because I don't know who's many Schwarzenegger near or planning Capra. If she was the first person or cinema.
Until about.
One of the crime document to move back court. No, say, because no delay, because they are not tangible reason there, young man. But that video, one of the copy, mommy, lawyer.
Nobody could have sued your friend, Anna.
Well, they prove.
Said they are on the air.
But I know that
day,
she's the one.
Oh, but probi na cutting say.
Oh, I can create those celebrity. Okay, I'm about apologize. Say video. Every two of those plans to post here. Apologize.
See, I know my winter. They be a me. Me nya wo crowd. Me too. I mean, okay, say oba crab am in China. Me be very careful.
Me say it is say me need them. Ye kukroma. Ubedum light no. Even say ubedum light.
Mukukroma.
Ye bad day mo.
Mo be dia bro.
Yeah, because me need some set camera baby and I don't trust it. I have trust issues. Come on,
me do light no.
And so try me need she you miskin. Me need mark or miskin. So person me. So person me which I have the sweetest skin. I don't know. Yeah, I have the sweetest skin. Well, some about shows that my share transparent things about who shows so that. You know my skin. Yeah, I have the sweetest skin. My open so stretch my back okay ni me so. Yeah, back okay ni me so. Me chin na da. But nipa nye.
To do light no. One light in the name.
Ubedum. Me wrong because obi ayem bi da. Can be no the sentencing. It's I'm so
careful. And you jina so na fire foot to my girls because asema ye kan. Me dey me nti me dey me madam ho so. Me until say me say me serious girl pa ne wa bi am no net no. Me oba no wa me kodware a ene say curtains a me draw ni yi. E no kwa me dwa yin mani ba. I'm saying me yo.
Sure, because girls normally blackmail. Now that's what they are using a lot of the girls. They are using it to blackmail.
Oba beda na ho oba ni dware na What it no.
Maybe open the laptop. Why yes we be in the laptop or laptop in
Yes.
the
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, I reckon a very serious matter.
And Romeo, let me tell you, since 2018 I became a captain. There hasn't been no one because Poloo sex tape. Unless a movie a mima kocha and the person be promoted. And the who a movie. But so Poloo ni pay akoda no mecha no video. Yes, Poloo a rough pan, but I won't say that. You hear some about most of the young celebrities but me. Won't say that. And I say Romeo, Poloo ni pay na Poloo they pay. Or they politicians. You can't say them in the tea politician either, but you don't know.
Now, I'm coming home, boy, that.
But you don't know. Yeah, so that is how secretive that.
And it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good, pa, because Poloo, ni na ano. Minti say si Poloo di ti way. And ban me masempa honestly, yeah mo Poloo podi. And so, onye konkron, but unim how I know. They said the money been me da and now me pesca, me pese me could be a shop. Or person me fan no person start business why you be there
you know that I'm in a shop
I boy me be a me car for me to coins
oh that I don't force a man to do anything for me you do it naturally me shop here on the way and one papa me do but I didn't force him me car is make it on the papa but I didn't force him he gave it to me myself you know so yes sir oh yeah the money. If the person really wants to do it for you, or if you mean a lot to someone and they have it, do it for you. So on your man interested on person if you're not more than you. Even I don't force a man to do anything. Marry me by force. Do this for me by force. No.
O weakness o abrabomi eden. O like I say, me seem to me weakness in here. Either in life and in a relationship.
Yeah. I love too much. I give my all. Yeah, I open up too early. So people take that for granted. And so I easily lose people because Nipa Bam in China me open up. So what else do we have to see? So it's easy for them to go. But the Nipa Bam in China you don't have their time. You don't if they need you here, you don't come. When you want is when you come. They'll hold you well, they'll cherish you. But one thing about me is that because of my kind of woman, I see everyone as, I open up, I have to sacrifice for you to make sure say you are okay. But at the end of the day, they take that for granted.
Wow. Is there anything you were getting into it? You were tempted to do at the chrono, but when you bounce, you say, I say me free but Maya be Bob Brebi na they wish they never did it. Or Brebia nkawoya kobo na ntempana when you bounce so we must share something like that with us.
Okay. I remember I met a man. I was going out and the man said, Obey me to my free, let you come. And I nearly did it. But I was like, I went back. I nearly, because, sometimes you get frustrated. Sometimes, especially, you are with your man, boyfriend. I was a man or follow plastic surgery girls. Who shame me or follow social media. Plastic surgery. Yeah, check it. I follow me. Me power. There are some things I will know about you and you think I don't know. Me a secret investigator. If I'm dating you, but it will be hard for you to know that I know this about you. And I won't let you know.
Follow me Instagram.
So
me will be a career chairman, I'm telling you.
Okay. So in my money be one more frustrating money be so for you. What will you baby because man can't just call you.
So now preference and the man ban who say no, I say me boy or
plastic surgery in Kuan or follow. And they surround themselves with that. But who could fear no pet? It's all rational to go be able to be worried about plastic surgery. It's funny. So on P Square, but I don't worry one young girl now one how slim the girl is and how flat the girl is. But maybe they used to flaunt plastic surgery. I want more about Akuapem on the chain. me I am a maker in Zambia that say one year. No, just you see medical. Now what the person is saying. So that is what I'm saying. So men more beer and frustrating. Men more beer and frustrating. If you are doing anything, do it for yourself.
Some are can on. Opa yen true challenge with my viewers in I say. She chrome high man on my omoto. Baby worry.
Debbie, oh my worry ka won kunu jaw.
Yes.
Immediately akoye na be man be.
And na wedding beer so ekoso chrome am no.
Yeah, almost no mo ko.
Almost no mo pam ntade ma shape ni but omo yes single.
Now wedding is some kwasi a show bia no mo worry na.
Aye, ono ye different. Yeah. But omo no the body no kokoko display.
Be ma petu but natural. Yes, a man petu. Be ma petu or be petu but natural body. Because consequences wo ho. The be anya natural bia no. The side effects. Of course. Now, the man go read about it when we say that we are doing keep here. That she be draining sick any na. The consequence ni ba ni e kwa kosa yare na. Yes. You bet me ato nyen car you give ya go yen na make up.
It also comes with stigma. Imagine say me yire no why auto. Me na mfo kra de besire me. Ah, kwa we pa na o ma ge we why no to na ko fa no.
Omo dey say o.
Ah, emema enitina omo amoyo moto no so on be ka no kra. Omo dey tinche o. They change men like said your more wigam. Wigam name with den sa we ne den. To twene wa we foforo. Enti so mbe kan okra see we a hard truth. They change men. They said omo change pad. Ah omo hye no.
Because they are frustrating girls.
Because men no ho, they are attracting men na e ma ye ba mo no. You see, men be a pad a ni fe. Na wa ba. Chale frege no ma me na wa ba. When say a men timi friend ma me kama obani bi na no kasa na put it off sabi bi ane sen ana nanum sent bi ana said o kasa mpo putu so o body ni ba attract be ma no ba bibi wo ho a eni nti ontimi no ntana nche
na da no make can wo show no say wo yo bia e yo say wo tu wo ya kwa chi be ma nde ba hu say the one or two things be no ko wo say o bi de be ma nche o Ebia umwadi. Use won we omo tunu so focus na our body so into umwadi. Let me tell you. Omo body. They don't respect. Because what else? Okwa obi beba. Now what is the intention? How you call your otu? Be man now na letinu. Enforce so call your otu. Why oko ya mama? Now they say who ya kati other men. And men
business no dey.
Men too don't like competition. Onu wo fie, ube soro ni na dan for one. Also, no, yes. No. Yes. No.
This time so crowd that's what money ni we say. It's so obvious. The boy na gina ho say
and shaky.
Na say edin. Silicone na yi na hihye wo.
So this is the reason why we need Atuu check me kokopa. Most of people are dark. I'm not saying it's bad because whatever you want to do with your body.
It's your body.
But how bad people have pictured me. I should have having all these things. You get me? I don't have tattoo anywhere on my body.
Piercing.
You see? So, meaning, yes, my piercing, my coach could my piercing. So, that is it. That is the uniqueness. So, I'll have something that someone will wish she has. Yes. And they will sit and they wouldn't understand. What is so special about this girl? Yes. Because
our attracted in particular, sir. And so, wow, new. And obi wo chiro so Poloo a bad girl but me can be kwa club kra unko bi da sa o mo tres from me yes
me birthday ndran ko me mpie o me nam na me ton ndran me birthday ndran me mpie ma yehwe me chefie me hwe me ma
wow abusia mama nka wo se ye ne ye nuaba Hania a ye friend Akuapem Poloo Rosemond Brown and ne bonkomo we enkomo pa na edi no okay the line of conversation we are having a conversation. When you interview, we didn't come because I was said, "Unti come with me, no." Na what no be I say. Akuapem Poloo na your bonny dean or your call a bonny or a bad girl no. Or sit tattoo you on home. Piercing you on home. At all on yet, you know for on yet. Said your tear so I attracting the particular. And it's not about artificial one I know. Kai say or pom with the here pa. Ade bi anya natural bi no ye den our consequences enuro kra ye nom kra na ye decide ho yare kra no eno kra mpo no a doctor fam ye say kra no enuro bi o kra ensusu nom eno kra na de yare ba ye ba be twa ho ne agye nkrato ne aba wo ye ba be di business nkomo ye ba ne shop ye hu so oton no bi wa e de no ma no oton ye twa ho aba ye ba ye beto aso Atuu. Minim say enkomo na ye twetwe no you are really enjoying it pa. Me ankasa akra I'm enjoying it. Sa na me crew no kra no they are enjoying it. Ye ne Akuapem Poloo e bonkomo. Ha ye gina ye muda rap. Na ni business na ya bam ya ba ni business center. E ba ne sen onya edin no. Afi product ben woton. Ye hwe na ye ntoa ye nkomo no so. Na ansa na meba wo no. Ma menkai ahwefo se enyumaku amaso ya sene de nkomo ibrew. De din kan MTN. Onim se Ghana ha de network bebre na wa ha. Nanso ba ko pe ene control market no. Se nipa wa Ghana ye 34 million de bia me kase. Obenya be ye 30 million na omu nyina use MTN because wo mu no bebie ye din. Emi ehu se sa na network no de emwa wo no ye twe ho firi ho. Etise abrabo. Adamfo bi a omwa bia no atwe ho. Network bi a wo so bia emwa bia na me kanfo MTN ma se bra MTN abusuan no. MTN or see everywhere you go. Afe this way chocolate drink. Jewunyani social name sorry ye eno anamano. Se ma decide say kabo no me teso. Nti this way no kakra you know ma pemi bi kakra bi light. Ti this way especially nyumre mo amon pese se bi mafuru be kese no. Eya mamu ndi fufu anajo after 6 fufu ni sa nuane na kabo no doso no. Me pacho wunya o this way a wanya bread kakrabi o biscuit kakrabi o you okay eno ano no say odi nsu hie o say odi nsu nyuno o eyobi a busuani nyina obi amfa no to so na emoa sanso na special ice mineral water birthday party aye dinner ba bia program bia se special ice and dey serve we won pedede obi a wonom special ice be anim say fridge mo and chef fridge mo onoma oti nsuo taste no nsuo no bebre o ha ya mfa chef fridge ma onoma onti se de tie but we no whether wo fridge mo ni fridge mo obo no bra okọ ebeboa wo amapom de wie peye afi best point say se wo pesika krabia a wo de ho beto omo so na wo mo so aboa ama wanyini wo sikasemu a best point savings and loans omeboa kama pa eno nko ade wo dada oni problem ma ho fa man o yesere me danda me ho a you know my tadi just be collection me ba cho just be collection wo dansoman oduru buzi afie ho a o de wuru afie okra na buza say just be wo he ne nsa no ye fe pa opam ma opam mema opam obia ayefro bibia de hia ne say o to obi apam obeya ma ne bo so nyeden we awaya ma mi se me bo ne bo ye mbehyo simple and easy. Mempaboa osofu shoes wo pig farm. Ofra be di pela bro sign no na o ba wanim kakra bi na. Otra be di pela bro sign na say wo di wani a kire ti say de o ba police station ho no. Me pa cho nsa benkum so na ho e no osofu shoes ho. Ofri police station na o ba be di pela ho so a before be do be di pela bro sign wo pig farm no. Osofu wo nsa nifa so oton kwada mpaboa empanyifo ema emema obi a opebi akọ boot bibia wo ho obetumi abetu akoton obeboa wo na bibia ye ka yento ankomo no so ye ne nua ba Poloo. I love her so much. Anytime bia me ni bi enye izo ye share bia ya wo bia de bia do you have something to say? Oh Charlie.
Now I thought the catcher design and say chief birthday 30th you know ye be.
Oh ni chief ground say last me promise you.
Na say that nearby no so di shame man no refi.
What
the shame man? Who you man?
But still, I'm off as for them. Don't come be. Oh, me pambia man.
Oh my.
I am a size keke. Only problem. Why? Only how crowd. Edina, me boy and Mudara. The power. Arabian name, Anna.
Sanobiaka. Obi obeti bi osa dem make us Saudi Arabia.
I said one name Mudara. The power.
Chief is someone that's our me has.
I know.
Mudano chief ya Mudasa.
Okay.
Nidin Mudasa Mohammed Yakub.
Oh, okay.
And I'm so midi Rosemont Alade.
Okay.
Nitino Rosemont Alade Brown. RAB.
Okay.
Rab.
No na rab no.
And a chief ya
Muda seal no muda a free seal no. Oh, okay, ti muda rab. Oh, beautiful. Only so be between that to neba muda rab. Edepa. Wow. Nti wa na kwane ya na onya muda rab. Beautiful name. Nti ahaye hin osu wo hu.
Ahaye
osu fa hin.
Blue Gate.
Oh, okay.
We do Papa now, over back down. We hit the last and your left hand side.
O free Papa ya na o sane no. O be hit road na T junction no. O hit ya na o left. O bu so bi akra say Poloo shop no ya. Oh wow. Wow. Now turn then.
Okay. Pure honey dey say wa me the one aton.
Yeah, oh yeah dia.
This 2018 na nyame adom.
Wow.
Me start
say net here.
Papa.
But branding dey o ya dey o.
Hey.
Anti sexy Poloo pure honey. And super wow. Oh wow. Poloo. Oni abie pa aduane de ade bia ye di bia. We mi ya me de coffee ntina me de me me anam ko yusu. Yes honey won. Egugum bebre. De na be mo hu se we pure honey okopa.
First, ebi wonu ma si ho cha etimit ekiki
ehedin
afeyin so se wo de manche shem wo di sha no we yin wapa ampa je se nye
serious
na se wo betimi ehwie hu a se intati amma ho a je se pure natural honey.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you. Se intati abba ho a je se sugar. And mimi honey, a bet me so 2,000 years. And that sorry, way out and that light. Shall say nothing is sitting.
And it's neat.
A sea hatchet, a must be neat. A sea hatchet. So this is pure honey. Obia onim honey, mobia, on your testing. When you straight from farms, me mom on so. You don't remember now, one in a gumia and Miss Wallace because me penny once. 2018 in your problem. Obia and Tommy honey. And can say, or your video, a Akuapem Poloo, Jenny Bian, I come by
oh, of course.
I come back many masses.
Every year that.
Yamiad. And now, made us so.
Didn't I say, honey, they were torn for how many years now?
2018, how many years?
2018. Hey, I say. Be 8 years old.
8 years.
Wow. And I said, oh, yeah, expert of honey. Now, honey, no, the any natural now, you sugar frano. Would you know how be at the draw?
Baby, one no say woman need foam. No man need sugar, no dia bone. And in why imagine say we no foam mattress good. Kid no live and
yes. And also na phone no. Sa honey no so na phone no. Ntu beka so Poloo de ne honey no ne body. And so na ba ko na phone no. Unse na nsan kura mattress bi ba ya. Fofofo. Amanfo da na mo chi. Nti ade na on top papa preko. Nti na say honey de Poloo. Ye honey original authentic pure honey de me hu. Wow. No be free na bro.
We fit tamale. Love tamale.
I see. Na honey ye dia mfa so be na de pray.
Honey dear, Becca, a young diabetic patient.
Okay.
A young summa, assess your skin. Shall me now, before me age chilawa, you won't believe. But I'm not doing anything special. I see a bit of the drip serum, so 1 person years fresh.
I said,
I don't have money. A bit of the drip serum, so no money tough, no many money coffee. I don't have money for that. Music accommodation member. That says, into pure honey, we made the lime kakra any warm water. Now they are fra, or they fra, no one no nanopa, and a pause for real. First thing, honey, warm water, lime, no one no. Put me the slap of skin. Put me the flower in my snow.
Wow.
Yeah. Who do you swear a CSA body for fair?
But this uncle also cry
a bioma dream. A biom collagen, providing it's a pure natural
sanity. So on your seminar.
Say, check where you get your honey.
Yes.
The right source.
That's it.
So that in case of emergency, you know where to go. Now, me put honey in your papa, me from a shop because so better than your papa, so better me sign return. First, me put in a mini shop. Me better the one now because only maybe I but they say me was shop. Intimidate na meton ade enye papa. So this is
Tigana nyina obia pure honey dia yemra ho. O abruchiri kura yemra ho. Wow. Nti senate we know ye one size no.
We one size
and we so.
This is the biggest size. And we I know the and away me.
Na we so wo. And we so wo.
And we so until this are the
bia ne bo.
Bia ne.
That's good. Original honey pow. Wow. Na market is am talk akra.
Oh, honey need here. Because adi ankrofo ni. Tom Brown in Puana first, now me have difficulties, but they say no so echo.
That's good.
And so because think of top.
Wow. Did Tom Brown also say it here?
Tom Brown is saying it. FDA approved.
Why now you are there?
Me and me you feel very natural. Wow. Very natural. A bro, wheat, soya beans, rice, grass.
No, we dey man kola no pa.
Man kola. Enye bro, uto enye bro nko na kwakodi. We have wheat, we have soya beans, we have rice, we have groundnut paste. Bibia kakra. Itu when we kakra penetu. We say ebe so nipa 6. Uye we a obeye we no. Ebe depending how thickness you want. But when kwan ebe so nipa 6.
Wow. Nti obi pese to be ton a otimi ba hu.
Utimi ba frame. Maybe I will be on Smith me deliver because 2018 me hand in the crime and me deliver. We are seeing money 70. Would be more be some code deliver. Obi see me deep or low hand. Yes, me product the obi and deliver mommy. Me and me deliver that just empty. Me background for me piano SB eguma.
Now one say bibia you okay.
Me kai me akadi bi ba ya na me me honey ni command. Me
the command. What do you call it?
Me the man. Me man we almost I love honey. I eat it with chicken. Let me say thank you very much. And let me say, oh, let me open it and pour some and eat some so that you know that. I said, no, I trust you.
No, I'm there. Only say, yeah, we Africa, no, and they so be the drobe good and more.
I'm free.
I'm you know how.
And to me catching so, mommy, no, I trust you. Go. So.
Wow. And this will be pet Tom Brown, no be na. O person no brandy, but o yema no brandy obeyama. Okay.
Lady do UK on the transfer firm is I'm working on that for her.
Okay.
Na mashipia man.
That's good.
Me befa through Ghana Post.
No, I shishana there. Wow. And ye be ma the number my ye be we are. Me wo 2 or 3 questions bi busa ansana ye wi nkomo no. Nkomo no ba ku bi a me pese me busa na ye say a lot of people say religion especially a bana warrior side. Say be a ujina way and then we are Muslim. Maybe a washia bema be a Christian. Or do why wouldn't say or do? Beman they also bema yema or baby or yema. But yes you on frenya mintino, men marino. Yes say a course a lot of harm. A many probably a single to now. Because sister BC so Bema will share no or a Muslim. And as a Bema will share no a Christian. I was your fan peneda sister and Yaka Sabisina on Ware. When you went to me and one so same way no. Oh be big a crack found. Say oh Sanka to me, so to me Sissa Bibia. Kadiana between us have religious differences when it comes to our Renis and
no can say first of all, me can say. Yo bia na ebo ni po ba wi ase se wo be ware ansa na wawo obi wo no ma wo be wo ansa na waware wo twu mutan so twen se wo be ware ansa na wawo wo da ware nso da no abo abo
onye sure say wo wawo ni ntina dey defend on.
Oh no, it's true because I know of a lady at that time no opese and ko ware ansa na wawo na me na ejuma corporate guardian businessman. Okay. If she is watching, she knows I'm talking to her. Into your gears or keeping in one, or your beer, so far as our Udini dear, Obeying
Bagum so.
No, Obeying Baromis, now you mother now.
And always over there, so be you.
It's more now, you know how womb side effect, womb with it me a week. And my fed there's expensive going to me, hold this pens view, not a cop. It's better said. Tell me, I may come in my ground because I am role model, mommy. Me tia ni interview bi me ma me say so nima anka fiti ase no yo no wo yi so no worry sasem na ma me ne kan a change in the perception be me say na me who say then na me wo chief ke say me twa no bi hye me me ma me cast na they are drink as be to meeting it no religion sana ye ma me no mo ye ya ene me papa say so ye Pentecost ni ama me ware no so a Muslim ni ama me ware no wodi bi me ma akasa me ma me wodi bi di no e ma me nua me wo nua pan ma metu no owi na me ma me ne papa ye Jehovah Witness itom ko Jehovah Witness na ye fun ko bai na be ma no on ko Jehovah Witness me ma me so yi ni sen no ntino me ne na e time be ma na nia ma be ma ne ja akwala na sometimes na bi ni omo village me ma me ji so kosua kokoja ase we ni bi da hwe no hospital send me basa na me na so bu efu me ma because no the me ma me le call nursing training na ma me ye ni sa si nursing training ni wa ko fa nyi se aba si o pepa ni sa fi me ma me ni akwala no nti me ma me ba no wi because care papa enya ntino so akoma ye ni sa be ma no wa brochi o be ma no wa brochi but me na the religion onye Jehovah Witness ntimi mfa no ama wo tu even me na ka wo born sen wa sorry ni because ne babia akoyese ntino e ma ye nusu ni mi abema na ka this am wo ni abema if I want to talk to her I'll talk to so religion ne there me we me family me parents no be religion I mean I'll live on and obrani warabo life is how you make it at first we didn't know but they say we are abie no now we know so life is how you make it so what you be na ye kan o sha nipa na the best of that what one na o papa catch us one more bread here it's the name bread no went me and show abusua but sanka o gina o nine so e be opportunity by to say Romeo na me o village na we fi city aba me Jehovah Witness ni nyame yiwa ma me wo ye Jehovah Witness ni wo so be ware me na se wo ye Jehovah Witness ti me ware bia anka nyame bofo a we yi ma me ni akaba be sesa me asesa baby am feel me no ye Jehovah Witness but me go school na me ni obi o tua me school fees na me nti papa no tua me school fees ewie SS ono no de me ba osu o se su no na adwuma bi ani o me ye se mi suro satam na mo 18 years me ye se mi suro nti me nko met na me ma me ho a akene me need to by this am kama o 6 oh nka me tie kana se kama o 6 and ko be because mo e fe Romeo me young na me ye me kola se me ni round no mo se me ye Suzy Williams enti na me back na me de me ho share obi e me o sakola hu ofe o se Suzy Williams enti no anga ba se ma bebre me makra no wo ba wo na ntimi hwe kola na fe de ade be china
o sere
enti no me really forget it to anamo no ni nyame unim nyame na yi na ba if the love is there move yeah because what say time be ba oba no be jaw wo abusuafo na akoka wo ko na na akotena it is oba ma ni pewa ware no na ona na enwo me enforce no so ware but se be ma na say odono wo ho a wo betime convince mommy our mothers listen to us more than our fathers sometimes maybe mommy say she listen to me because she's just like my sister and everything nti no o se me ba oba advise me say ye ma wa ye ni say na ye de ko cho ye ma me ye papa ye forefathers ni ye bebre ma ene wan kasa wanu wo ma me twi wo fi be ma bi ho a anka wo a wo hwa anka wo ne wo ho anka wo ma embe nti ma mu ma ye fasa religion chichire ye ma no ma wo nusi opportunity bi anka se se wo saka esa mo how ye nti afa de wo babet na sia when you 50 years no onwo ye na afa de wo so ni nana wo kwa asori ana wo fefo slow at least po obo adwaman na wo ba ko ba fie mpo anka wani beje but me a wo ye ni nti no wenti me a wo na e dia sema be me pa ocho wo ye young girl no watwa 18 onyima wo you will be proud in future because they say chief I think things that no chief chief I think things in you chief na true ni sister wo fie chief na bo pampers
oni no fa adwene obey bibi kwati ni susu hu
I'm telling you if anything chief timi operate bibia car me drive bibi wona me ntimi chief timi ka say ma baby our park ni nye park here
enso nka wo yi no gu ya
akanini enjoy ko hospital ko shisla obi papa bi hu also name chief papa also so nim sanka frustration o ma onina ka oyi akola yanka so wo and they should be akola papa ni ka some na twi ma adwen si bibi so me
say no to abortion.
Say no to abortion. If you are above 80, now only be ma koda. Now only wo me o sure be ma because me kai chief na me nyem no me wo ni wie no. Say me say o ma ware me di am jakwan ko. Na be ma papa na me say me say me njakwa ni ma won dia. Ma be ma na hwe me ba no. Mo nsa nyi ska na me ti me hwe me ba me jakwan be ba. Na me ma me ka chen say ya nyankopon na hwe nkwala. Eye nipa. Meji akola na ma. Ye adwuma won kran na mo ma wani nda ho men sa ankofa nyi sen foforo ba bi nti na chief anyi ase na ma wo na chi
wow
me ma me kan sem to me team o say ya chief is never a mistake but be careful this time and I was careful and this my next move has been better for me.
Charlie wakasa me shira ye ko obi pese ono ye business ye besre I mean brands businesses lady we hunu sa no or numbers o forget to say hunu Poloo that me so call ni socials our numbers pa me pacho emma ho no ma mo de abadwa so na mo pe influencers no she's one of the influencers in Ghana. Forget to say why she's very influential nti momwa na on o de so no hwe 1 month na hwe say the business ne be ye na say bi a me de me bi ba ya me ne ne ye short video bi wo studio kra keke no obi aya Poloo bebre kwa fi say na o de ya yes Poloo we no sa and I who said no you are very influential nti try Poloo you will not regret Poloo obi hia for business ebi endorsement deals and I say opeso betu no money bia number bi or business line bi or e be da hu ne enko
nti no say opese o frame for ambassadorial deal and as a commercial and as in opese Tom Brown in here 0245 69 63 69 0245 69 63 69 frame na me ba na wangasa so you will never regret coming to me with the energy you are going to go. Me Tom Brown also yo me too. It is up so be too. Now so cotton for so now so be be also. A chepa lifeline no. It's no just contact me on the same number. And wangasa udi ba ko a obedi me.
Yes so di ba ko a udi me. Poloo Atuu ya bishira awusia ye de besi ha na nyame yadom a dasene ye de another edition of Atuu bro. I've really enjoyed myself with my beautiful sister Ania Ajia so ya Ajia entino nyame shira ye besa hia biem Atuu